Hello guys, if you ever want to make the videos using your PowerPoint presentations as shown here, make sure to stay till the end because we are going to make the slides from the scratch and going to convert them into the video as well. So without wasting any time, let's start. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon as well. Let's move forward. Alright, open the blank PowerPoint presentation and delete the unwanted. Once done, insert the video which you want to present in the slide. Go to Media, Video and choose this device and select the video that you want. Alright. Once done, duplicate the current video and place it in the same slide. Alright, now change the position of the video by choosing flip vertical. Now insert the text that you want. It's sunflower. Once you enter the text, make sure to adjust the size and name the font that you want. Now make sure to adjust the text properly. Alright, now select both of them and go to merge shapes and click on intersect button. Alright, now it's time to apply the animations. Now here two animations are present, make sure to delete it because we need new ones. So select the first video and click on play button as well. This is our first animation. Here now go to playback and go to trim video and select the video clippings that you want by entering the timings that you want. Now repeat this for the text video as well and make sure to enter the animations. Now both the background video and text video have the same animation, it's nothing but play button. Now for the text video, make sure to enter another animation which is nothing but fade. So this could enhance the video so well, and make sure to start with previous and select the delay by 1 second. You can keep the duration up to maybe 3 seconds as per your convenience. Now repeat the same for all the animations as well. Now here in the text video, once again we have to trim the video according to the timings that we want. Alright, here's the result that we got. Now let's add another animation. Now here in emphasis, click on grow and shrink and again change the animation timings with previous and keep the duration up to 9 seconds and delay it by 1 second. Now we have to add the exit animation as well. Click on fade this time. Again keep the same settings with previous. Select the duration as auto, which is by default, and delay it by 8 seconds. Alright. Alright. Let's make the second slide now. Now again, the same process is going to be followed for the second slide and third slide as well. Nothing new. Again, entering the text, creating the duplicate video, and just using the merge option and applying the animations as well. Alright, we are done with the slide 2 as well. Now again, make some changes that you want, and let's move to slide 3. Again, different video and text, but same process. So we have done for 3 flowers. First we have done for sunflower, and second we have done for lotus, and now we are doing for rose. Again, same procedure, nothing new. So the video has been fast forwarded a bit. Alright, we have done with the third slide as well. Now let's see how it works. Perfect. Alright, now go to transitions and tick on after and set the timings that you want. Repeat it for all the slides so that the video shall get recorded without any interruption. Now go to audio and add the background music that you want. You have selected the audio, and always place the audio outside the slide, and here again click on trim audio and select the duration that you want. Alright. Once done, select the fade in and fade out timings, which could enhance the video more and more amazing. Alright, now click on loop until stopped and play across slides as well. Again, click with previous for music as well. Let's check it out. So here's the video with the background music once again. Now it's time to convert it into video. Go to file and click on export. Click on create a video option and select the requirements that you want. Once done, just click the create video button and yeah, done. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. Hope you liked this tutorial, and for more such insights, make sure to subscribe and give more recommendations for the video that you need. Thank you very much, and bye bye.